Wenatchee weather can turn fast, and your comfort shouldn't. Central Washington Heating and Air keeps homes steady in Wenatchee, East Wenatchee, and Leavenworth. If your furnace is acting up or the heat pump won't keep up, we'll find the real issue and fix it right. Need a new system or a cleaner install for better airflow and lower bills? From air conditioning repairs to full replacements, we focus on safe work, clean results, and honest options. And when the AC quits on a hot day, we're ready for urgent help. Call us today,